Alright people, be careful when you order a shout out from a big page or an influencer because it may do way more harm than good, and probably even it might destroy your account. And I'm not joking, so let me get into that after the intro. Right people, welcome back. My name is Dominic. If you don't know, I do social media marketing stuff, personal branding stuff, all of that. Instagram. And if you want that, if you like these kinds of things, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video so far, which you haven't even seen a thing, but still, if you like it so far, hit that like button and give me a like, because I'm actually kind of self-conscious, but whatever. So here's the thing, I have noticed in the past few weeks some weird stuff happening, and some people wrote me that they bought influencer shoutouts and the results were great, but then all of a sudden their engagement started dripping down, started going downhill, and it's not been one person that told me that. It's not been two. It's like probably 5 or 10 people, like in the last 1 month, told me that there's some weird things happening after buying a shout out from a legitimate page. And I got into it a little bit, and I've noticed something that it's so bad, it's so evil. But let me get into it. What's happening, how you should be aware of that, and why you should be aware of that, because it might destroy your page. But first things first. So usually, if you watch my other video about getting featured by big pages, which is linked by the way somewhere here, I still don't know where. You usually know that you go ahead, find those big influencer pages or big shout out pages, and you'll buy or get a shout out for free. Now usually the target audiences should overlap quite a bit. They should have a similar target audience as you have, and after that people should come over to your profile, see your profile because they shouted it out, and then people are going to follow you and everyone's going to be happy. But here's the thing, I'm not saying it doesn't work at all, but I'm just saying it doesn't work as easy as that, because usually people actually need to see a certain thing more times until they actually have that in their minds before they actually kind of are interested in what is that. In the marketing world, we call that the rule of 7, which means usually some person has to see an ad, or because that's an ad, it's not nothing else. It needs to see an ad 7 times at least, with a positive mind, 7 times for them to actually notice it, for them to actually take some action. In your example probably being, go over to your profile and then in turn follow you. Right, but that's some advanced stuff. We're not going to talk about that today. If you, by the way, want me to talk about the rule of 7 and all those advanced marketing strategies, comment down below. Why not? And I might do a video about that. Anyway, I'm getting carried away. So, what does it all have to do with, being scammed by other people selling shoutouts? So the goal being is to, get lots of shoutouts, resulting in, lots of new followers for the person that bought the shoutouts. Them being pretty content with the service because they got lots of followers back, and in return they will buy more shoutouts from this account. Right, sounds legit, it sounds super great. Actually it's not, because here's the thing, these people are most likely not real, and if you don't do your due diligence before buying an influencer shoutout, you're going to get scammed, I tell you. And there's more and more people out there that are just looking for people like you, that they can scam, right? So for example, they sell a shout out for $50 to their 50,000 followers, right? So usually these pages are all fake pages, or mainly fake pages with fake engagement and all of that crap that you don't want. They get $50 for example, and they just go ahead to some shady ass site where they probably got their own engagement from and followers from, buy 1,000 followers for $2, and then they just throw them over to your account. That way you're gonna be like, man, damn, this has worked really well. Like 1,000 people came over overnight. This is like a cool thing. I want to do this again and again because I will get big. But you won't, because actually it will destroy your page. It will destroy your engagement. It's destroy everything that you have built up the real way. And the thing that actually makes me actually kind of angry about these things is that people don't know about that. I mean, if people wanted to get some fake ass shit and destroy their own page and destroy their own progress that they made, they're looking for the real deal. They're looking for shout outs. They're looking for real people to come over to their profile, except it's not gonna happen because by getting this massive, fake people, things are just going to get destroyed. You might get shadow banned and all of that crap that you don't want, might even result into your profile getting either banned or that you can just throw your profile away because, you just can't do anything with the profile anymore because there's only fake people and, man, it gets me really angry, to be honest. Right, so do your due diligence. Please be careful before buying a shoutout. Tomorrow, probably, I'm gonna do a video about how to actually spot those people. I will expose one of you people that sell fake shoutouts. Another episode of Influencer Instagram Fake Bust. And I will show you what to look out for probably tomorrow or the day after. Anyway, please be careful. My name's Dominic, by the way. If you like this video, hit the like button. Follow me, by the way, follow me on Instagram. And if you think you have been scammed by one of those people, giving you fake followers, mainly from Brazil, for some reason, lots of clients mainly have Brazilian people. Well, so if you think you're one of those people, send me an email, send me a DM on Instagram, all of that. I will look into all of them. If I have the time for it, I will expose all of them, right? And last thing that you could do is just report him on Instagram, report him on wherever you got that shout out from, whatever, some influencer page. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you got the information. I'll see you again tomorrow with one crazy ass faker. And my name's Dominic. So bye.